They have this pre-made old fashioned that's made with Buffalo Trace. You can't get it in Virginia. It's $42. You want a bottle? I was like, immediately. Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another Old Fashioned Friday, Old Fashioned King. And today I have a special guest by the name of
Kevin Bednar's, Virginia's for Grubbers. I'm going for the Davy Jones, like, 9th appearance. I got to catch him.
Yeah, you actually might have him beat.
No chance.
Today we got a really cool episode, which I say every single episode, but I'm really excited about this episode because we got a bottle of a pre-made old fashioned that came all the way from New Orleans. A buddy of mine named Jeremy was down in New Orleans. He's like, hey, I'm at the Sazerac house. They have this pre-made old fashioned that's made with Buffalo Trace. You can't get it in Virginia. It's $42. Do you want a bottle? I was like, immediately.
Yes.
So, and here we have it right here. Beautiful bottle. Like, he was like, let me know if you want another one. I was like, I'm just looking at the bottle. I'm probably gonna want another one. Like,
have you ever seen a pre-made that pretty?
Never.
Like, they usually come in cans.
Never.
Or some, right, like seltzer looking
Not
thing.
even
Like,
close,
that's awesome.
dude.
That's beautiful.
yeah. It is a Handy and Schiller barreled old fashioned made with Buffalo Trace bourbon and a
Peychaud bitters.
Peychaud bitters.
Very popular bitters.
Yeah. Keep messing up that word. So shout out to Kev for that.
That looks good, though. Look how cool that bottle is.
It's super sick. Got this nice little metal logo here on the front. Again, Buffalo Trace. And if you're wondering why do we have Pappy, Weller, Sazerac, Buffalo Trace products, just clickbait. That's it. 100%. There's no reason to have these bottles in here at whatsoever. Established in 1850, Handy and Schiller signature cocktails, which are world famous down in New Orleans. So got this little metal Sazerac house thing here, nice little top, like.
I got high expectations.
Super high.
Yep.
I do think it's gonna be spicy, but we'll see. Again, $42 price point, 84 proof, so we're looking at 42% alcohol, which is, I mean, your average old fashioned is around 80 to 85%.
And that's a 750? It's not a liter.
750.
So that's
750.
good.
So same bottle as a regular liquor bottle, 750. So they're using a Buffalo Trace bourbon, and it said the cocktail was rested in a Buffalo Trace barrel at the Buffalo Trace Distillery. So not only did they use Buffalo Trace, which came from the Buffalo Trace barrel at the Buffalo Trace Distillery, but after they mixed all the ingredients, then it rested in another barrel at Buffalo Trace Distillery. Yeah, again, my expectations. Yeah, my expectations.
I'm hyped. Whenever
are
you
high,
say
man.
pre-made, I'm like,
Yeah.
all right, but that's legit. And I just went to New Orleans this summer and hit a lot of those bars. I didn't get to the Sazerac bar, so now I'm pissed that I missed this.
Gotta go.
But let's see it.
Got a cork, hold
A
on.
lot of good, a lot of good
Nice.
cocktail culture down there, though, for sure.
Let's give it a whiff. What are you thinking about the whiff there, huh? It's all right.
I'm still in. I'm still in. Expectations are high.
Okay, so when we do the pre-made old fashions, we do them on 3 ratings. We do appearance of the bottle, 0 through 2, and then it's 0 through 4 on first sip, 0 through 4 on overall taste, maximum score of 10.
Okay.
So as far as the appearance of the bottle is
2.
concerned, yeah, I'm going, instant full 2. Like, there is no pre-made cocktail, let alone old fashioned, that looks as good as this anywhere in existence. So full 2 for both of us on that, and then here we go.
So I wonder, as you hunt and look, are we going to find more pre-mades like this?
I don't know.
Do you know what I'm saying? Like, maybe it's more of a thing.
I mean, again, established 1850, so I feel like they have this. Oh,
Right.
DoorDash.
Uber Eats sushi. Jen, sushi!
Hey, Mom! The meatloaf! Mom, the meatloaf! I think it's either they're gonna try to level up to this, or it's just gonna go down. They're gonna get worse. But this is established
awesome.
1850, so I feel like this is the reputation. It's made from, it's made from Buffalo Trace. Like,
It better be good, but I think it's going to be good. Whoa, all right. Let's go.
is that enough?
That's a Davy Jones pour.
Oh, I don't know. I thought that
Am I
was-
going to slam it like he does?
because it's mixed, right? Like,
Right. No, that's good.
all right, so here we have the color. You can see that. I mean, yeah, color looks good. Looks like normal, old-fashioned, the way it
Smells
should
good.
look like. My expectations are it's going to be good, but it's going to be spicy. He prefers spicy. I prefer a little bit on the sweeter side.
When you say
so-
spicy, do you mean like just gasoline?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not like Captain
Some
Morgan,
burn.
like just like, right.
Correct. A little bit of
So
burn.
I joked around and said, do we need a garnish? And you said no, and I joked and said I wish I had an orange peel. And on the back, it did say,
It recommends
orange
single cube, which we have, and an orange
because
peel.
you don't get a big orange smell, but it smells really good.
Yeah, so
right.
we're lacking on the orange.
Cheers.
Cheers. Here we go, first sip.
So I can't tell you the last time I had an old fashioned, to be honest, because I usually drink it on the rocks, right?
Yeah. Bourbon on the rocks, straight.
Right.
Yeah.
So this hits me like, ooh, it's sweet, but it's not overpowering. It's
on
not
the
too
sweet
spicy.
side, you mean? Yeah,
to me, because I drink gas, right?
Yeah.
But it's not overpowering. They didn't oversweet it. It's
Yeah.
not like soda or sugary. An orange would be great, but that's good.
I think
it's good.
Yeah, it's really good. It's a tad spicy, but it's also like room temperature. I feel like if you were to put this on some ice, stir it, and then just throw it over a single cube, get a little bit of dilution of the regular ice, this would be incredible. Doesn't say to do that on the bottle. If it said it, I would have done it.
You know what? Taste it now. Give it a little.
Yeah. Okay, the little.
It's good off the rip.
The little 45-second delay with the little water. Yeah, it's really good. That's
Best
really
prepackaged
good.
so far I've ever had.
Yeah, for sure.
By
I mean,
far.
listen, it's not like the perfect old fashioned, but like there's probably never going to be a pre-made old fashioned that's the perfect old fashioned. But I think we've done maybe 7, 8 pre-mades,
And there's
whatever.
been a couple good ones. Yeah, but at $7.50, you're going to get 14 cocktails out of that easily, right?
Yeah.
Easily. So
Yeah.
you're talking $4 a pop.
Yeah, maybe $3 a pop actually.
That's wholesale. If you go to the pub retail, $14.99.
So yeah, especially for
yeah.
the price point, yeah, you're looking at $3 a pop, maybe 3 and some small change. So first sip, what are you thinking?
Out of 4,
Yeah.
3.7.
That's fair.
It's solid. For a pre-made, it's solid.
Yeah.
If I got this at a restaurant and you handed it to me, I'd probably go like 3.35.
Yeah.
Or, whatever, right? It'd be a little bit lower. But the fact that it all came together and it's Buffalo Trace, I'm happy.
I'm going to stick to close to that. I'm going to go 3.5. And then I have a feeling that it's going to get better the more that it gets colder.
1,000%.
So then the overall is probably going to be a little better, which you can avoid if you were to mix it with some ice, stir it, and then put it over an ice cube. But again, it doesn't say to do that, so we didn't do that. But 3.5, 3.7.
Is this where I do the Davy Jones?
You can do the Davy Jones.
I'll do it.
All right, here it goes. All right, here we go. Yeah, chilled. Oh man,
It's good.
My expectations were high. It's fair to say that this met that expectation. The appearance of the bottle, the brand itself. It's good, man. Again, New Orleans Sazerac House. I'm almost positive you can't get it in Virginia. You may not even be able to get it in the Northeast at all. There's like the smallest, like 0.001% of spiciness. But again, that's because I just like, and I know you probably are like, there's no spiciness. This is like sweet as
No,
hell.
it's right down the middle. I love it.
Yeah.
I love it.
Very well balanced. I'm going to go 3.7 on overall. What are you thinking?
I'm going to go 3.8.
3.8.
Yep, 9.5. That's high.
9.5 on a pre-made old fashioned, and I'm 9.2, I think. Again, $42, and you're going to get at least 14 of these pours.
Not mad at it at all.
Yeah, that's $3 per pop, man. So there you have it. Handy and Schiller, Buffalo Trace, barreled old fashioned. Virginia is from Grubbers. Kev Bednar's, Old Fashioned King.
Cheers.
Cheers.